AI. The term AI, artificial intelligence, you must have heard about over the internet, in the newspaper, or in the Twitter, or in any social media. But the term AI consists of many new things which can impact the people's life in current generation and in future generation also. And also you must have heard about the chat GPT and you must have seen the tons of video over the chat GPT, but don't worry. I will not talk about the chat GPT in this video. Today, I will share with you top 5 best AI graphic designing tools. Basically, these 5 tools would be the life-saving or could make your life easy for any type of person who used to be in a social media creation part or used to be a podcaster or YouTuber, or whether he used to create any content PPT for any client project. And also, till the end of this video, I will give you one bonus AI tool which could create a massive impact on your all YouTube videos or your podcast. So stay till end of this video so that I could share you the top 5 best AI tools for graphic designers. So let's move to this screen. So we are at our screen. So now number first AI is Runway.ai. Let me show you what does AI will do. See, it's a website which is used to edit any video, photo according to a person need. Yes, according to a person, this can edit anything. As you can see, what does it declare? That everything you need to make anything you want. What does it mean? That key, what you want to make, it's according to the text what you will give. It's the same. Let's scroll down. For example, you can see here, you can generate anything. You can write anything. You write a oil painting and it's converted right in watercolor painting. You can change the color. You can change anything. What are the features left? Number one is which is text to image creation, which means that you will write any text. For example, you want to write, I want a lion on a table. That it will create a virtual image. It will create an image on which the lion is on the table. Likewise, image to image generation. Basically, it can modify the existing image with a text. And after that, it can erase and replace anything. Basically, if there is something that you want to erase, for example, if you have a ball but you want to erase it from your head, basically it can do so. After that, what you can see, it can replace your background. It can basically text to color grade, basically any type of text which can be converted to color grade. It can do all those stuff. And one of the best tools I have used for my editing purpose also, and you will also get to know more about it if you will use it in daily purpose. Our second AI tool is Looka, which is basically a brand logo designer and brand identity platform for any type of entrepreneurial work or any type of YouTube channel or brand making work. So let's move into this website. It's a website of Looka.com. Click on it. See, what does it signifies? Design your own beautiful brand. Basically, a logo is a crucial part of any business or any social media account which proves your identity, which gives a trademark. So this website will definitely help us. We will create a logo in front of you. For example, we will create a company name, for example, it's creating a logo. Yeah. What does it? For example, it's clothing. It signifies clothing. Basically, a few examples, we will give more. What would be for example, we select the color gray. What could be slogan? We can say trend on mind. What were the sports clothing? We could select which type of clothing. Basically, it will filter down or narrow down the exact brand what you gonna make, and it will create exact logo for you all. It will take some time, but wait, it's generating. Yeah, first logo has been generated. Another one is killer. It's trend on mine, but see the difference of logos. It's been generating. The logo has been generated and you can click on it. Basically, it's complete niche. What we have said, it's a clothing brand which depicts a trendy line which trend on mind, and it clearly show the it's a clothing brand. You can click it, you can customize it, We can change it, color, everything, font, everything you can change, and it will be complete wonder for your work. So we are at the another AI tool, which is Synthesia.ai. Basically, it's a professional AI video creation tool which used to create the video for you using a script that you will give, and it will accommodate the video according to the script by step, and it will provide you the voiceover so that you don't have to worry here and there. You have not learned about the voiceover. Free AI tool for the voiceover. You can check my previous video. Now, it will give the AI avatar, AI voice, a template, and all the features that will be required for the video. It's a must tool for all the video creators who want to create their own YouTube channel or want to record any type of video, but they hesitate to come on the camera. Here, with the help of this platform, you can literally kill the surrounding with your presentation. So that's our third AI tool. So our number 4 AI tool is Astria. Basically, it's a timing image generation beast. If you provide any photo, for example, any client provide you with a photo of a card, it gives us this random background with a proper accommodation of, for example, we have given this card, show the background, how the effect has been changed, how the layout has been changed, and basically it's most important for the developers or any type of UI UX designer. It will be best. For example, there is a hat person wearing. What does it show? You can use this hat to anywhere to create another type of images which will blow your any social media website or any website or any AI design project on which you are working. So this is the best website for any crappy photo which you want to create with its best resolution, with its best natural background by providing its proper layout. Fifth tool, which is named as Let's Enhance.io. Basically, what does this tool do? This will enhance your any type of corrupted or tattered photo which you used to have, or any type of photo which you want to generate in a perfect resolution. So this tool will definitely gonna help you. How it will, let me show you. Basically, for example, I uploaded a pic. Now I have uploaded this pic. There is an option Smart Enhance, and here you can see auto and what intensity 100. Now let's processing. It's been processing. Yeah. It has been processed, and now you can see, you can download it in your local and you can change it. Yeah, I have downloaded and you can check it. It has been enhanced I can clearly see the resolution of this picture. It has been enhanced. Color segmentation or any type of orientation on the pixel has been completely magnified to the massive level. So now it's time for the bonus AI tool, which I have promised you to give you if you stick till the end, and I am glad that you are still here. Now the AI name is Adobe Enhancer. It's the AI voice enhancer tool which will remove the noise from the background and improve the overall voice quality. You just have to upload your audio here and it will take 5 to 10 minutes to enhance your voice. You can use it everywhere, like in YouTube video, podcast, and any type of presentation. And it can be the game changer for your any type of social media creation. So we have completed all the top 5 with the bonus AI tools step by step. I hope you must have learned many things about these AI tools, and you will use it in your day-to-day life and make your designing efficiency to the next level.